Hi, my name is Kat and I'm a Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron. Today I'm going to be introducing you to our Therapist Aid Worksheet and demonstrating how you can easily implement it within your practice today. Therapist Aid Worksheets are documents that therapists give to patients to be completed in between their sessions. This specific worksheet teaches patients how to challenge their negative thoughts and replace them with positive thoughts. Using our Therapist Aid Worksheet will result in many advantages for your practice. These worksheets engage patients within their own treatment and encourage them to practice new skills in their day-to-day lives. Therapists can also use the responses on these worksheets to change and improve their treatment plans. Implementing this Therapist Aid Worksheet into your practice is very simple. Naturally, the first thing you need to do is access, download, and save the PDF template. Next, when you are treating a patient who you think will benefit from the worksheet, you should give them either an electronic or a physical copy. Lastly, you should request the patient to bring in the completed form to their next session so you can go through it together. This is what our Therapist Aid Worksheet template looks like. At the top, there are 2 spaces for the patient to write their name and the date. The body of the worksheet is separated into 3 columns, the first of which is titled Automatic Thoughts. The middle column is a space for the patient to challenge that automatic thought, and then the last column is titled The New Thought, which should replace the original automatic one. To give you some insight into how the worksheet functions, we've included a sample completed form. Feel free to pause the video at any time to take a closer look. You can also access the Therapist Aid Worksheet from inside the Carepatron platform. As you can see on the left side of the screen, we're within the Templates tab. We recommend filtering by community templates and then additionally by keywords. When you've found the worksheet that you want to work with, click on the Choose Template button and then assign the patient to the form. From here, you can click anywhere on the screen to add in the relevant information before clicking the Publish button to save securely.